Hey everyone, Train Guy 1969 here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this RSC 14. This is an HO scale model and it is DCC sound and it is from Rapido. A little bit about the history of these particular locomotives. Back in the 1970s, the Canadian National Railway realized that some of the branch lines in the Atlantic provinces needed a locomotive that can work on their lightweight rail. So they ended up taking some RS-18s and changing out the trucks from some RSC 13s, and voila, there we have our RSC 14s. So this, as all Rapido locomotives, is beautifully detailed. You can see has the independently applied grab irons. It's got the ditch lights, beautiful paint job in the decals, the metal knuckle couplers. You can see the details of things like the chain down there, a detailed interior. Beautifully done. I do have a couple of other Rapido locomotives, FP9A, which is in the 1954 CN livery. I also have a Go Transit locomotive from Rapido. Both of those, like this one, came from the Holiday Surprise Box that Rapido puts out around Christmas time. Every year my family will purchase one and then they'll spread out the gifts within the box to me at things like Christmas, my birthday, Father's Day, and so on. This particular one I got for my birthday last month. I was very, very happy to receive it. A beautiful, beautiful locomotive. And what we're going to do is we're going to take it over to the track, we'll lash it up to a number of freight cars, and we'll give it a spin. We'll be right back. And we're back at the track with our RSC 14, and we have it lashed up to a number of different rail cars, starting with this Rapido bulkhead carrier. We also have another Rapido product in the Procore livery, followed by a grain hopper, and this one is the Toronto Hamilton Buffalo, again a Rapido product, followed by a Canadian Pacific hopper, again a Rapido product. We then have a Saskatchewan hopper, and this is from the North American Railcar Corporation, with a Walthers Sioux Line boxcar, and taking up the rear we have an Intermountain hopper in the Alberta livery. So we're going to start up the locomotive and listen to the startup sequence. Beautiful startup sequence. We got the headlights on and the number board lights on, and if you look inside you can see that all the dials are lit up. Another beautiful little Rapido detail. And we're going to ring the bell, a couple toots of the horn, and off it goes. Nice smooth runner. We'll follow it around. No problems at all pulling this small consist. And if you look at the end, you'll see that there is a thread on the end of the grain hopper, the flashing red light. Beautiful model. And we'll go around one more time. And we'll meet it back at the other side. as we watch it slowly come back around. And hear the squeal of the brakes as it begins to slow down. It's got momentum braking. And there we have it, the RSC 14 by Rapido. Another beautiful locomotive that's part of my collection. Very happy to have this one. We'll get her up and running one more time. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. If you like what you've seen, please do subscribe.